Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World. The famous Murgh Musallam, as we all know, is a very tedious and difficult recipe. However, today I will teach you the easiest way to cook the Murgh Musallam recipe exactly in the restaurant style. And this recipe is for the beginners and the bachelors with easy steps and minimal ingredients that you will get readily in your pantry. This Indian whole chicken gravy recipe is taught to me by my mother and is our family's favorite for any special occasion or any weeknight. So let's quickly get started. So I'm using this Cornish chicken. You can use any whole chicken of your choice, and the skin should be a must. The other ingredients are thinly sliced onion, whole chicken which has been marinated in yogurt and I have kept it for approximately 1 hour, poppy seed and cashew paste, fresh paste of ginger and garlic, hard-boiled eggs, also red chili powder, salt as per your taste, and vegetable oil. That's all you need. In a flat-bottomed pan, I'm adding the vegetable oil. Once the vegetable oil is hot enough, I'm adding the sliced onions, frying the onions until it turns light golden brown in color. Now I will be adding the fresh paste of ginger and garlic. Note that all the ingredients and the measurements are there in the description box. I'm frying the ginger and the garlic paste until the rawness of them goes away. Thereafter, adding the red chili powder. I'm mixing all the ingredients well in low to medium flame. Note that the onions should not burn. Now I'm adding the whole chicken which is marinated in yogurt for an hour, and I'm going to slowly cook this whole chicken with the masalas well, adding the salt as per your taste, cooking the chicken in low flame so that it does not stick in the pan. Going to cover the pan with a lid. Going to cook it for approximately 10 minutes and then going to turn it over. Again, repeat the process. Once the chicken is half cooked, going to add the cashew and the poppy seed paste. Once again, going to cover the pan with the lid and slow cook it until the oil starts to separate from the masalas. You can see that the oil has started to separate. I'm going to add little bit of water, lukewarm water, into the chicken to make sure that the chicken is not sticking into the pan. Now I'm going to add the eggs and going to cook it for another 5 minutes. Keep on cooking the chicken on both the sides. Repeat this process for some time until you see that the color of the chicken has started to change and oil has started to separate from the chicken. Look at the color and the texture of this Murgh Musallam. Trust me friends, this is the easiest way to cook the Murgh Musallam and this is going to be amazing. This is one of my favorite recipes and it is actually so easy to make. Absolutely delicious. Do try this recipe and let me know how was it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Show Me's World. See you soon. Bye bye.